years ago, when I wanted to specialize in technology, I was looking for an area of tech that could actually resonate with me. So what I did was to do my own research. I went on Naira Land, I went on the internet space to do a lot of background research and see which area of technology can actually, fit into my kind of person. So what I realized was that, and as at that time, a lot of people who are in the telecom space are actually doing very, very well. And this actually caught my attention. So I had to begin my learnings in networking. I started taking courses in telecommunications. Then eventually I was able to actually specialize in radio frequency engineering. And the thing is that over time, I made a very critical mistake, which was the fact that I was not following the technology trend. By the time the technology space was evolving into software engineering, I did not key into it right immediately. And this actually cost me a lot. I wasted so many years trying to figure things out, trying to make my current expertise work for me. But eventually, I was lucky to meet one man, Mr. Olawale. The man works with MTN currently in Nigeria. He used to be my former boss at Huawei. So Mr. Olawale advised me because I told him I wanted to learn his area of specialty, which was in 4G optimization. So Mr. Olawale advised me as a young guy that, you see, Sheriff, why not just go and learn about software engineering? But because I was so engrossed with my current expertise, the change was coming. It was looking like it's going to be very difficult for me as at then. So I did not pay much attention to what Mr. Lawale said because it was a manager that actually assigned me to him. Because I used to work with a Pakistani manager who liked me so much. I used to be a very dedicated person and he likes the way I deliver results, with our campaigns and our optimization project and all that. So I felt like maybe I could just have, I could find my way around it. So I did not pay attention to what Mr. Olawale told me then. But eventually, I did some research and see which areas of software engineering I could actually fit into. So that was when I discovered, I could take courses in Python to learn about machine learning and all that. That was about 5 years ago. But eventually, I didn't take all these things serious because most of the tech bros that I see, most of the, tech people I see around me, most of them are not doing machine learning. They are not doing anything like artificial intelligence and the like. So, me being the only person that I see myself doing these things, like I don't literally see anybody doing all anything like machine learning AI and all that. So it looks a lot kind of like it's going to be cumbersome and all that. So what I did eventually was I just bought the course on Udemy. I bought the course. I just left it. I just left it there. So eventually, I now realized that even software engineering has eventually evolved towards that direction that I planned to switch into as far back as 5 years ago, which was the current trend of machine learning, artificial intelligence, and data science and the likes. And if I had taken the mentorship that I got from Mr. Olawale serious enough, and I could actually put my 100% into it, I would have become, that kind of like expert in machine learning and all that. So all the lessons that I failed to take about 5 years ago are the things that I'm now doing currently. Working on machine learning models, artificial intelligence projects, data science, and the like. Those are my current area of, specialization that I'm working on at the moment. Most of my projects now, I'm doing a lot of learning also my programs at master's level and all that. But the point is that the lesson I want you to take from this, my journey, is the fact that, number one, don't underestimate mentorship. If you have a mentor who is actually guiding you towards a specific area in your career path, don't don't be overconfident. Being overconfident can actually, impact you negatively on the long run. And the reason is because when you have mentors actually sees a lot of things that you might not even see in the next 5 years. So that is the point where you actually need to realize that Mentorship is one of the things that can actually change the directory of your success. Like you can, the things that can take you 5 years to achieve, if you have the right mentor, you can achieve in 5 months. So that's my message for you today. And if you are looking to, you know, ask any questions about all these, current experience and the likes, then you can just send the message and hopefully I'll be able to respond to you.